How long does it take to repair credit? Phoenix AZ. Credit repair is the process of improving one's credit score and repairing negative marks on a credit report. A good credit score is important for obtaining loans, credit cards, and other financial products with favorable terms and interest rates. The time it takes to repair credit depends on several factors, including the severity of the negative marks and the actions taken to repair them. Here are some steps that can be taken to repair credit and how long they typically take to show results. Obtain a copy of your credit report. This step takes just a few minutes to request a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Reviewing your credit report helps you identify any errors or negative marks that may be affecting your credit score. Dispute errors on your credit report. If you find errors on your credit report, you can dispute them by writing a letter to the credit bureau. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate and resolve the dispute. This process typically takes 1 to 2 months. Pay off debt. Paying off debt is one of the most effective ways to improve your credit score. The amount of time it takes to see a significant impact on your credit score depends on the amount of debt you have and your payment history. Generally, it can take several months or even a year or 2 to see a noticeable improvement in your credit score. Make all payments on time. Late payments are one of the most damaging factors to your credit score. Making all payments on time, including credit card and loan payments, can help improve your credit score over time. The impact of timely payments on your credit score may take several months to become apparent. Reduce your credit card balances. High credit card balances can negatively impact your credit score. By reducing your credit card balances, you can improve your credit score over time. This process can take several months or longer, depending on the size of your balances. Consider a credit counseling service. Credit counseling services can help you develop a debt repayment plan and provide advice on managing your finances. This process can take several months, depending on the amount of debt you have and the repayment plan you develop. Seek credit repair services. Credit repair services can help you dispute errors on your credit report, negotiate with creditors, and develop a plan to improve your credit score. However, these services are not free, and there is no guarantee of success. The time it takes to see results from a credit repair service varies depending on the services offered and the individual's financial situation. In conclusion, the time it takes to repair credit depends on several factors, including the severity of negative marks, the actions taken to repair them, and the individual's financial situation. It can take several months to several years to see a significant improvement in your credit score. The key to successful credit repair is to be patient, make all payments on time, and follow a responsible financial management plan.